Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your CUBOT Note 7, at the first you have to open apps and then just choose your clock application. When we are here, we can go for the alarm on the left upper corner and activate one of this default alarm. When you want to customize, you have to click on this arrow, and then at the first we can change hours and then minutes. Click OK if you want to set this hour. Next we can go for the repeat. We can leave it on the Friday. We can also adjust vibration and change ringtone. Let's take this one, and of course we can change label. And as you can see, that's how we can turn on and customize alarm clock on your CUBOT Note 7. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.